Hey guys, Richard here from Cars and Security. What I got today here is a BMW X5 2014, and what we've installed on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in factory CarPlay and Android Auto onto the original screen. So it's full OEM style, so it keeps your factory system intact, so you can still got your original menus you can use to navigate, and also our new system which we can switch to. As you can see, got full CarPlay running. It's all wireless as well, so there's no wires connected. Full wireless CarPlay or Android Auto if you've got an Android phone. And you also got access to stuff like USB as well, which we've installed on here. It's USB input, so if you want to mirror your phone, you can mirror it through the USB stick as well, through the USB port. Yeah, it gives you full CarPlay access, full OEM style. Keeps your original controls intact, so you can use your factory iDrive controller to use to move around the system, and you can also switch back to your original system if you wish to do so. As you can see there, switch back to the original system as well. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your BMW X5, yeah, we can install it. Just give us a call on 028 554 5554, or even come visit us at Cars and Security in Ganshill, Ilford, IG2 6QA. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys. Yeah, we've got more videos coming with different cars, with different systems, so you can see if your car is featured. Thank you.